Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it is the Patio Perfect Edit. I just keep doing all these themed boxes because why not? If you haven't tried Wantable before, as I wave my screwdriver at you, this is what I use to open boxes now. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you would like to, there's a description down below about Wantable. It's a $20 styling fee per edit, aka box, and they send you 7 items. $20 goes towards what you keep from that box. If you don't keep anything, you're kind of out the $20, but you can usually find at least one thing in each box. They are a little bit pricier, but I keep getting them, so they must be doing something that I like. Let's open this box. Here we go. I'm telling you, if you guys have a giant screwdriver at home, keep it up where you do your opening of your boxes, because then you're not like, where's my scissors? You don't need this for anything besides, like, I guess for screws, but you don't need it for anything besides opening boxes, in my opinion. Yeah, so we're taking the bundle out. Here we go. Alright, I haven't looked at this at all, by the way. And also, if you want to try Wantable, I'm going to leave my referral link down below too. If you want to try it and use my link, I'd appreciate it. Helps me get more boxes. You know, I would get credit if you use my link. I have not looked at this at all. You can, like, once your box is like within a day of being delivered or delivered, you can go on there and peek and, you know, look at what they sent you. I haven't this time, you guys. I was a good girl. Oh, and I got my hair done. If you can see. It's a little bit lighter for summer. I'm liking it, but it's really hot up here. We have air conditioning, but we're doing stuff to like the heating and cooling of our house. So we don't have air right now. And it's over 80 outside. Yay! It'll be fine. Here's our bundle. First look. Got some flowers. Oh my god! Sorry, I think they sent me a hat. And I'm really excited about it because we have a pool and I don't have a nice like sun hat, so I'm really excited. Floral, 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 yellow, blue, maybe some shorts or something. Yay, okay, let's get to it. All right, tearing into it. Let's see what generic note they wrote for this Patio Perfect Edit. They send you back the mailer so you can mail back the things you don't want. There's a USPS label, or you can use the UPS label. So that's nice. Okay. Hi Rachel, I'm so sorry for the delay. It did take a little bit longer, but that's okay. And appreciate your patience. It's time for some fun in the sun. This limited time edit is all about patio ready pieces that fit, flatter, and make you feel beautiful inside and out. Well, I couldn't find another puff sleeve tee. Hey, maybe it's not so generic. I snagged you this sunlight jersey top I thought you would also love for work for spring. Whether you're saying cheers to a few friends, firing up the grill, or heading from brunch to date night, I hope you love your personalized summer outfits. Have a blast trying everything on, and don't forget to let me know what you think. I hope you find pieces you love. Can't wait to hear from you. Enjoy, Charlene. And Charlene looks so cute. They put a little picture. See, they'll focus on Charlene there. Thanks, Charlene. I don't think I've had you before, so very exciting. All right, first top is by West Key, and you're cute. So I thought it was like florally, but it's more kind of like an abstract animal print. Look at that ruffle on the sleeve. She's cute. I like her. Okay. And, ooh. So I'm hoping this can be worn on the shoulder because I don't really do off the shoulders, but looks like she's kind of sheer in the sleeves, and the bodice has kind of like a V-neck a little bit. This is by Skies Are Blue. I like the colors. I don't have any like green and purple tops like this. I don't know why I said tops like this, but, or as opposed to skirts like this, I don't know. Next we have, what are you? By Apricot. Are you a dress? Oh, she's kind of cute. Okay. It doesn't have any stretch to it though, so not completely hopeful. But looks like she's a dress, and she has some pockets down there. It's yellow with kind of like a black and white floral. She's kind of cute. I like her. I don't know why I'm referring to all of them as her. Some of them can be hims or theys or what have you. This is by Be Young. I'm gonna go through, you know, the prices and everything at the end. Let's see. Okay. She's kind of cute. They're kind of cute. He's kind of cute. Yellow. Kind of like a half sleeve. I don't know. It's not a 3/4 sleeve, but and it's kind of ribbed. Has some buttons. Are you real buttons? No, you're sewn buttons, so you're not gonna come apart. That's exciting. I'm dreading putting that on though because of the sleeves. As you can see, tank toppy day. Okay, wait till I see the sweatshirt. Favorite daughter. Now I am the only daughter of my parents. I have 2 brothers, but I freaking love this. It's so cute in that sky blue. Again, it's a sweatshirt, but you know what? Cold nights around the bonfire or something. Freaking love it. Okay. And we have some jean shorts in a size 16 by Dex. They have a cuff on the bottom. I am a sucker for a good cuff. They have some tape stuck to it. They do have that kind of smell like, you know when you buy new jeans from a store or something and they kind of smell just a little bit like the factory they were made in or something, but these look really cute. They have real pockets in the front and the back, so that's good. And last but not least, let's see, she's so cute. Sorry, that was like my animal dog voice. She's staying with me. She's already fits perfectly on my head. Got the nice little floppiness in the front there. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's try everything on. But really, look at this hat. She's cute. Can you just picture her like in a bathing suit with this cute hat on? Put your hair back. Adorable. I hope it's not too expensive. Shoot! Freaking love this sweatshirt. It's probably gonna be like $70. It's very reminiscent of my wine sweatshirt that I kept a few boxes ago. I'll link that up here. It's so soft inside. I love it. Shoot, okay. I really love it. I love the color. I think it's so cute. It's so cute. Maybe once I have my air conditioning again, I'll put this on at night. It is so cute. I love it. Okay, the shorts, I also love. Do I need another pair of jean shorts? Probably not. But I really like them. I think they're the perfect length. I like the cuff. I like how they're just like kind of a little baggy, but not like super crazy. There's lots of stretch. I really like them. Shoot. Okay, it's a good thing. It's a good thing, but it's just, you know, money. It's just money that I don't have. Okay, let's try on the next few things. This is also cute. I can see wearing this with like a skirt, like a maxi skirt, which I've been wearing at work a lot lately. I think it's really cute. I like the V. It's not too low for work. I like the ribbedness. Let me tuck it all the way into my jeans instead of just doing the front tuck. It's kind of like the fit and feel of it is like kind of bodysuit-esque. It's kind of cute. I wear a cami under it because you do kind of like see your bra lines a little bit because it's a thinner material, but I don't know why I'm like touching my face. I've had too much caffeine. I like the buttons on it. I think it's really cute. I think it's a cute look. I don't have anything like it. I don't have anything this color yellow, and I kind of really like it. All right. Shoot, you guys, this is like a 4 for 4 so far. I have 3 more things. Are you gonna take all my money today, Wantable? Okay. I think this one is more meant to be like off the shoulder, but here it is with the sleeves up. But then I think you're supposed to like maybe wear it down, maybe, which I don't do. I just feel like it makes it too wide up here. So if I wear it up, what do we think? I don't think I like it. It's okay. It's all right. Here's the back. Maybe it's like the color. I don't know. Dang it, Wantable, you were doing so good. We were on a streak. It's not my favorite thing. That's too bad. Okay, but that's all. I mean, I just need one more thing I like, and I can get a discount of 20%. So you don't get more of a discount for keeping all 7. So just one more thing. One more thing. And here we have our one more thing. I think this is so cute. Again, you can like tuck it in. I like the cute little ruffles. It's like a tank top, but it's got, you know, little coverage. It's so cute. Here's the back. My husband just pulled in the driveway, so if you hear my dog start barking, that's why. I can see him right now through the window. He didn't see me. Okay, but this is so cute. I like it. I think it's adorable. You can tuck it all the way in, but I kind of like it out a little bit more. Just like that. Adorable. Okay, let's try on that dress that has no stretch. So I'm not expecting to like it, but let's see. Hey there. It's bad. So it has no stretch, so it does not fit over my bosom. But if it did have stretch, like if this were a knit, it would be so cute. I love the color, I love the pockets, I like the design. I like the V-neck. If it were a different material, there goes my dog. It would be a different story. But look at that. So it's back. All right, let's go over prices and maybe my dog will calm down by then. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you like these kind of videos. It's down there somewhere. Okay, prices. Let's see. You know what? Just glancing at the prices, I'm right about the sweatshirt. But other than that, it's not a badly priced box. So let me just start grabbing things because, you know, names mean nothing to me. The Vitella SS Jersey Top in Sunlight by B. Young, $46. Great price for Wantable. The Denim Mom, it's a mom short. That's why it's a looser fit. The Denim Mom Short in Blue Wash by Dex, $60. They were really comfortable. The Printed Knit Sleeveless Top in blue/yellow, I would say that's more of a gold brownie color, maybe like a Dijon mustard, $44, and that's by West Key. The sweatshirt, Favorite Daughter, $68. Do I need a sweatshirt when it's practically June? It's gonna be June by the time you see this. Maybe not. But, you know, where I live, the weather's unpredictable. My husband is now on his tractor. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. But he's really cute. Maybe I can get a little clip of him on his tractor. Hang on. He's so cute. Anyway, the sweatshirt, $68. I really liked it a lot. I thought it was beautiful color, it's funny, it's, you know, I like that kind of stuff. The hat, Asta Raffia, oh sorry, the sweatshirt is Favorite Daughter Willow Sweatshirt in light blue by Suburban Riot. And the hat, the Asti Raffia Fedora in natural by Luca Couture is $48. And I realized I never really zoomed in on it. Look at that cute design. It's like brown and white. It has, on the inside, it has these to like tighten it. If it's too loose on your head, you pull on these and it tightens up right here. So I think that's really cute. It's $48. The two things, so I'm gonna crunch the numbers on all that stuff. But so the two things that did not fit, I didn't like, the yellow dress, did see V-neck bakery dress in mustard floral XL, $50, not a bad price for Wantable. And the ruffle detail V-neck top green pink XL, skies are blue, $59. Not a bad box. Okay, let's crunch the numbers and see how much those 5 things are gonna cost me. I have some decisioning to do on whether or not I want to keep all 5 of those items. I do have credit, quite a bit of credit. So thank you guys for signing up and using my referral link down below. Because I get $25 in credit for every time someone uses that link. So I really appreciate it. So I do have credit that I've been kind of saving up. So the total before I would use any credit is $212.80 for those 5 items. And my credit I have right now, okay, and then minus $20. Let's minus that $20 styling fee, $192.80. If I use all my credit, which is a lot, crunch, 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 we're crunching the numbers. It would be $26.20 for those 5 things. Thank you guys so much for using my referral link. This was like the best box I've had in a really long time from them to keep 5 things. Did I keep 5 things a few boxes ago? I don't know. But could I get a hat like this elsewhere? I did just see some cute ones at Target. I just really like this one. It also has like the bendiness on the rim. So you can mold it kind of how you want it. I just think it's so cute. Like I said, I have a pool now. So I'm gonna wanna like, you know, wear it. I'm gonna wanna wear it in the sun. I was just power washing the pool deck yesterday and this would have been nice to have. What do you guys think? I think I should get it. I really like it. I like the design. It's cute. It's $48 though. And that's pretty much like, well, okay, so yeah, I'd be getting this hat for free. If I get all 5 of those things that I liked with the discount, it's basically this hat for free instead of getting those 4 things with no discount. Decision made. Decision made. We are getting the 5 things today. What a great box. Okay, my hair's gone completely almost unwavy anymore from the start of this video because it's so humid up here. So I gotta cut it. I gotta cut this. We're done. We're done. It's over. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Wait, I also noticed there's a cute little pin on it. Look at it. It's so cute. Okay, that's all. I'll see ya.